This is our parts store. All these guys that you see behind the counter, they consider a journeyman parts guys.
Yeah.
We try to keep
Yeah,
the fast moving parts.
Here.
We have over $2 million worth of inventory.
Wow.
You said you worked at a couple of dealerships.
I did, yes. So my profession was detail. That's what I did for 4 years. I did 2 years down here in the Bay Area in junior college, and then when I transferred to Chico State for my major, it's really cool to see a semi-truck level of dealership, because like I said, I'm pretty well versed in the automotive.
So you played this game.
I was familiar with SES software. They've done Euro Truck Simulator before this. They came out with 1 and 2. I saw they were coming out with an American Truck Simulator, and I was like, dude, on board. Like, that is right up my alley.
So you get to build trucks?
Yeah, so it's really, really cool. You can customize each and every truck. You can either do cargo that they offer, so preloaded trailers, or you can even do as much as buy your own trailers, buy your own warehouses, hire your own drivers.
Okay, so you can basically run a trucking company.
Any way you want it, you can run your own company. It's really, really cool. You can run it with one truck, or you can buy 50 of them and hire 49 drivers.
Well, this is a shop. It is 24 bays. We have 5 additional bays.
Wow.
So do you see yourself owning trucks?
Yeah, I mean, I've always wanted to explore the idea of driving them, but obviously on a more business side of thing, I know it's also great to own and operate them.
Let's go up to the office.
Awesome.
And check out the sales.
Hey, how's it going? Good morning.
Good. Good morning.
I'm Damien.
Pleasure to meet you.
You want to go check out some Western Stars?
I would love to.
Let's do it. First, I want to show you how far Western Star has come. So this truck right here is a 2015 4700. Western Star doesn't offer this truck anymore, but I kind of want to show you the differences between what Western Star used to be versus what they are today.
Sure.
So if you want to hop over into the driver's seat.
Sure.
Since this is 2015, it has an older look compared to the current Western Stars, where it's more digital. You have an analog version. Your steering wheel here, compared to the newer ones, you have all your controls on the steering wheel here. You're all focused on the dash. Is this familiar to anything that you've driven?
No. I mean, I recognize the dashboard, but the game has
Western Star, they're always continuous improvement. Driver comfort, something big for them. And so when we step into the newer cab, you'll see that right away. Whether that's how the seats are or how the dash is, you have kind of everything at your fingertips.
Yeah.
So we'll transition over to a newer truck. I'm thinking I want to get you first in the 57X.
Okay.
And then we'll kind of go from there.
Sweet.
All right. So the first of the trucks I want to show you, this here is the 57X. What are your thoughts about that?
It's super, super sleek and aerodynamic. That's one of the first things that stands out to me.
Yeah. If you want to hop over into the driver's seat.
Sweet.
So now that we're in this cab, you kind of see the night and day appearance.
Totally.
If you look here, we have the digital dash. We have a digital monitor here. Is there anything configuration in this truck that you currently have?
Yeah, so the 49X that I run in the game, the dashboard looks very, very similar to this. The only difference is mine doesn't have the screen. It has the boost gauge, the gauge setup rather than the screen. But other than that, very, very, very similar.
Safety is super important here. Up here we have the Detroit Assurance, so we have our collision mitigation system. We have active brake assist. It's something that you can delete from the spec, but highly recommend adding that to the truck just so the driver has.
Is it extra cost, or is
no extra cost at all? I was just curious, what kind of truck do you have in your
I
fleet?
run a 49X that almost looks identical to this, except mine is a tri-axle and is green.
If you want to hop in the driver's seat, I'll meet you over in the passenger seat.
Sounds good.
So now that we're in the cab of this truck, what do you think about this one?
It looks very familiar.
What in this cab that you don't have in your truck?
I don't know if mine has a CV.
Right
That's
on.
pretty cool. Also, this truck is an automatic. Where in my game, there's a little shifter here.
That's right.
Other than that, it's pretty similar.
All right, Connor. So you've seen the changes that Western Star has made over the years, and then you've seen a couple different models: the 4700, the 57X, and the 49X. This is what we have here, but Western Star has a lot of different availability and a lot of different options that you can do in a truck. What was your favorite truck?
Oh, it's got to be the 49X heavy haul spec.
That's my favorite as well. One more thing before you leave, I have something special for you.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, dude.
Thank you so much.
Of course. Check it out. What's in it?
Oh, a super cool hat.
That's awesome.
Thank you so much, guys.
So before you leave, I definitely want to get you in a truck and get on the road. You like to go for a test drive?
I would love to.
All right, let's do it.
Hi.
Hi.
I hear you wanted to drive a Western Star.
I do.
Okay, let's climb in.
Sounds good.
So how did you get interested in trucks?
And my mom always tells the story when I was a little baby in a car seat, I would watch the wheels spin in traffic, and that's about all it took for me to get to get hooked.
Do you want to learn to drive?
It is something that I've really wanted to do for a long time. I was telling them today, you know, when I come here, and especially to the Star Nation experience, I'm gonna get the bug. I just know I am.
Well, the fact that you have such an interest in it and you've extended yourself, not just to win a contest. This was what you really are interested in, you know. That's great.
Thank you so much.
Well, we appreciate you coming in.
I appreciate you having me. It's a pleasure meeting you and letting me see around the trucks.